What if light is not a tiny bullet shooting through empty space, but a message passed along a living medium? In the energy filament theory, vacuum is an invisible energy sea, and light is a relay pattern the sea quietly copies forward. Think of a stadium wave or a relay race. Motion travels without a runner crossing the whole field. And light works the same way. A photon is not a marble here. It is a short wave packet, like a twisted ribbon snapped out in a quick burst. Because emission happens in a tiny time window, it twists because the emitter's surface pattern can have orientation and a tiny spin. So the exit angle slowly sweeps as the burst comes out. The surrounding sea can also squeeze sideways, so the packet becomes thin, directional, and slightly corkscrewed. That corkscrew is what polarization looks like in this view, not a magic label, but a real geometric lean in the ribbon's wobble. After emission, the key idea is not flight but copy. One patch tightens and relaxes, then the next repeats the beat and phase, like tension dominoes. So the speed limit is the sea's fastest reaction time. And light rides near that limit because it drags almost no matter along for the ride. When the sea is tighter, the relay is cleaner and faster. When it is looser, the relay drags and the local maximum can be lower, so causality has a ceiling. Now notice the trick, our rulers and clocks are built from matter inside the same medium. So measured C can stay stable in your lab, even if the relay limit drifts. If earlier cosmic conditions had a tighter C, the real relay could be higher. Reading the past with today's stable-looking sea can mimic expansion over cosmic time and full-distance ladders. When light hits matter, it does not just bounce. It can be absorbed by ring-like structures and turn into internal motion we call heat. It can also be rewritten by the material's own stable beats and ray emitted, which shows up as color changes, scattering, and spectral fingerprints. If the texture offers an easier path, the relay continues through and exits. If not absorbed, it can stay coherent for huge distances, so starlight reaches us. In this view, wave and particle faces describe the same relay, a bounded packet that can still build interference through shared timing. In this picture, the universe stops being an empty stage and becomes a living sea that writes its own rules. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.